Good morning, everyone. On behalf of my colleagues, Nada Raza, Director of Arts, Alserkal Arts Foundation, Joanna Settle, Associate Dean of Faculty Affairs and Social Impact at NYU Abu Dhabi, and Faisal Baik, Manager of Programs and Community Initiatives here at 421, I'd like to welcome you to Stepping Forward. Stepping Forward is a convening that brings together artists, curators, academics, and practitioners to ask some critical questions about performance practice in our region today. I'm supposed to stand here, read from a deck of cards, read out the 421 boilerplate, and tell you how great we are, list all the amazing things that we do. But you're not really here for that today, and it's all on the website anyway. But I'll just take 2 minutes of your time and just tell you why this program is particularly close to my heart. It is because it started from conversations between us and our friends at Alserkal 2 years ago. There was no set agenda, no rigid parameters, just a shared interest and a drive for inquiry. These conversations grew, brought us more friends and colleagues along the way, and led us to last year's convening, Stepping Away. And then Joanna Settle came in her wholehearted way and just simply said, guys, this is incredible. How can NYU help and support on this? And here we are today, 2 years in with the same drive for inquiry. I guess what I'm trying to say is that multi-institutional collaborations work. They really do. We at 421 recognize that from the very beginning, that as an institution committed to supporting creative practice, we cannot be working in a silo. That in order for us to support emerging creative practitioners, we need to bring in partners and collaborators along the way. Collaborations not only help us reach and access and engage with a wider audience, but they also support in institution-to-institution learning and help us reach our goal of engaging with as wide of a community as possible. Anyways, I promised I wouldn't take too much of your time, but this is my open invitation to all of you. Please come in. Let's have a conversation. Look what happens when we do. And before I end and give to Mace to walk us through the program today, I'd like to thank the incredible women who have been working so hard over the past few months on putting it all together. Nada, Joanna, Mace, Aya, Diane, and Fatima. And of course, my little bundle of joy, my 421 team, for all their incredible help and support on this project and everything else that they do. Thank you.